Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Samoan Scientist.
This is Amy Miller, also known as the Samoan Scientist.
I want to show you what it's really like to be a scientist from a Samoan perspective.
My YouTube channel is called Samoan Scientist, and it was through an internet friend. She created a post that basically highlighted and said there are no Indigenous women on YouTube who are in science. And so I kind of reached out to her and said, what? Is this true? Are you telling lies? She said, no, it's the real deal.
And it's this lack of representation in science that's brought her in front of these Pacific students at Waitakere College.
As a student, I didn't have anyone come in and talk to us. And I felt like if I just had someone there to say, yeah, you're doing the right thing, let's go, I would feel more encouraged to take a STEM career.
After studying science at Auckland University, Amy says she wanted to reconnect with her Samoan roots, so in 2017 she took up a job at the Scientific Research Organisation of Samoa.
Being New Zealand born and being adopted into a Palangi family, I didn't have much of a connection with my Samoan culture. And I really wanted to give back to Samoan people in some way. So I thought, well, what better way than to just go and work in Samoa, and then I can also learn the language and the culture.
She was involved in a taro project, ensuring taro exports to Australia did not contain the fungus known as taro blight, which has decimated taro crops in Samoa since 1993.
This is a field trial to see if the fungus that we pour around them before harvest can affect the corms that we eat.
It was during her time in Samoa that she began posting videos of her work on YouTube.
Hey guys, so I just finished inoculating the field.
She says every day was different, working in the lab, out in the field, and working with local taro growers.
My time in Samoa was really exciting because I learnt a bit more about Indigenous knowledge. There's so much amazing work going on in Western science that we've kind of forgot about the Indigenous science. And if we look more into that and kind of combine the two, that would be amazing.
And so far, the work Amy is doing to encourage more Pacific students thinking of a career in science is paying off.
I feel like it's not something that our people aspire to be part of, just because we don't have many people in those areas that we can look up to.
I really enjoy learning more about this, especially biology. It was really intriguing and interesting. Like Amy said, I was really curious about the subjects and stuff.
She said that we are scientists, our ancestors were, and I think that we need to just delve in more to our history and find that we are capable of doing that.
And it's a key message Amy wants to pass on to students, that Pacific people have a unique perspective which they can contribute to science.
Scientists, we want to answer the big questions. Most of those questions involve the land and the sea. And as Pasifika, we have a strong connection with the plants and with the animals in the sea. And to have that Indigenous knowledge and kind of bring that to the table along with the Western science, that's really valuable.